Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you all would like to see how I got this super pretty and bomb high puff using a drawstring ponytail, then just keep watching this video. So this is how my hair looked before doing anything. I always, for the most part, start off with freshly shampooed and conditioned hair. So yeah, this is what I'm starting off with. So to moisturize my hair for this style, I'm going to use this Shea Moisture Professionals Cocoa Shea Biolipid Complex Curl Memory Leave-In Conditioner. And it's olive oil ORS incredibly rich oil moisturizing hair lotion. Also be needing a gel. I'm using this Gorilla Snot ponytail holders, rubber bands, utensils that you will need like brushes, combs, etc. And for the puff, I'm going to use the Model brand Drawstring Ponytail puff in the color 1B. And then you're also going to need a hair wrap to set your hair once you get it styled. So to start off this style, I'm just going to start spritzing my hair with water, and then I'm going to go in detangle. And obviously, if you don't need a drawstring ponytail, you could just puff your own hair, do that. This is just tips for us thin hair girls. Like my hair is curly, it just can't get puffy enough for a puff, but I'm going to go in with this curl memory leave-in conditioner and thoroughly apply it all over my hair, because I want my hair to be moisturized. Since my hair is going to be under a drawstring ponytail, this is a protective style, so I do want my hair to be moisturized underneath. And then I'm going to go in with my what is this called, my wide tooth comb and detangle. And then I'm going to start pushing all my hair up to the top of my head, and I'm going to go in with my paddle brush and just detangle it and get it up in place. So now I'm just going to put it in a very loose bun, just to get the length of my hair out of the way. And then I'm going to go in again with the curl memory leave-in conditioner and apply that all on my perimeter. I do want every part of my hair to be moisturized before I add gel. So yeah, I'm just adding the leave-in conditioner on the perimeter. So after doing that, I'm going to go in with my Gorilla Snot gel and apply a nice amount. I'm actually going to spritz a little bit of water on it first to kind of dilute it in the sense, because as you can see, this is a very thick and slimy consistency. And I always use this for sleek styles that I plan on keeping in for a while, because it's such a strong gel. I really do like it for this. I just really like it pretty much, and I actually do have a product review on that, so I'll try to link that up above and down below if anything. But yes, so now once I got that gel all over, I'm going to go in with my paddle brush and actually start brushing it up into place, and just just slowly work it, and get my hair just right. So now I'm going to take 2 ponytail holders and wrap my hair up. And I actually wrap it around a nice amount of times because I want my hair to be tight, because I want this to last. And actually, when I get done wrapping it up, my ponytail is not even directly in the center of my head, but that's okay. So as you can see, I just spritzed it with water, and now I'm going in with my paddle brush and detangling, and then I'm going to go in with my wide tooth comb to get out some of the knots and tangles from the beginning of the ponytail that the the brush couldn't get. But anyways, so now I'm going to go back in again with that Curl Memory leave-in. As you can see, I'm using a lot of that. I like that conditioner. But yeah, and I'm going to apply it to the length of my hair. Again, like I just mentioned, this is a protective style, so I really do want my hair to be moisturized underneath. But yes, going back in with my paddle brush after that product, I'm going to finally apply this moisturizing hair lotion by ORS, and I'm going to use a nice amount of that as well, and I'm going to apply that all on the length of my hair as well. And if you've been following me for a while, sealing my moisture in with the oil is a very crucial step in whatever style I'm doing. So since this is a protective style, I'm not changing that one bit. I went in with a nice amount of oil and just spread that all over the length of my hair as well. And then now I'm going to start braiding my hair down to the end. And now I'm going to take the slightest bit of that moisturizing hair lotion and apply that to my ends, because it's actually a very thick moisturizing product. So I wanted more of that on my ends. And now I'm going to wrap that braid into not a loose bun, but not a tight one either. Just a very secure bun. And then you'll see in a sec that I'm going to take a rubber band and just apply that over the bun once. I'm not going to wrap it down. I'm not going to wrap it around multiple times, just once. And then after that, I'm actually going to go in and apply just a little wee bit, well, a lot more, not even a wee, a lot more Gorilla Snot gel all around my perimeter, because I don't want no flyaways, period. That's what that is. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. And now I'm actually going to go in with my toothbrush and lay my edges. And I did use Gorilla Snot gel to lay my edges as well. And with using that gel, my edges lasted about 2 days. So it's a really good gel. I definitely recommend it if your edges can take it. And as I lay in my edges, y'all know I like to go in with a little bit more gel to apply on top of them just to ensure they last a little longer. So this is how my edges looked after I finished. Looked pretty darn good, if I say so myself. But after I got done with those, I put on my scarf and I wrapped it up. And I kept it on, I don't know, about 15-20 minutes. However long it took me to finish doing what I was doing. And I let my hair sit. So this is about, 15-20 minutes later, and this is how my hair look coming from out of my scarf. Looks very sleek, very slick. And then I'm about to apply my puff in just a sec, as you will see. And I actually ran out of storage while recording this, so you won't see the whole process of me putting it on, but it really don't take longer than literally 30 seconds to put it on. You won't see me, hide the drawstring part, but yeah, so a lot of my footage got deleted from this, but this is pretty much the finished result. As you can see, I did my makeup and everything, but that's about it. I really hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below, share this video with a friend, and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it, and I'm going to see y'all in my next video. Bye.